Welcome back to Blue's Garden. And no, that's not right. That tree just doesn't look right. If you guys don't know, I live on the east side of I-90. This is the west side of I-90 because I was out in Seattle for a little bit of work. Got home really late one night, early next morning, walk around my house and see a tree leaning against the house and the power lines. So I had to make a call. I don't think that's right. So about 30 minutes after the guys got here, it was gone. The boys were hard at work, up in the tree, chainsaws blazing, the grinder chipper going, and making quick work of it. They're tired. They're about 40 years old and haven't fruited out in about 10 years, 10, 15 years or so. Sad, my dad had planted these 40, 45 years ago. I think it was time. We had talked about removing that one anyway. It was looking sad. And the one that's remaining, as you can see, in bloom, but it needs a lot of thinning and probably needs to come down too. Now, when the guys cut everything, they did cut me quite a few bits that I can use as firewood. I'm going to let that season out. Managed to save a decent size pile that will dry a little bit. I'll probably split the larger ones down in a bit, but this morning when I was dealing with it, I hadn't had the time. And I'll just stack them right next to the raspberries and hopefully that retains them. Still have one beautiful plum in bloom, but I'll have to replace him. I'm not sure with what. Sad to see it go, but I will replace the plum tree, probably thin the other one down, may even take it down, end up with nothing over there, and I'll replace it with a couple of apples and a couple of pears. Who knows? We'll see. Anyway, sad to see it go. Please share this. It really helps me grow, which helps you grow. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden tips.